It's Saturday, and I planned on going to the pond today to go camp out, you know, a little bit of Easter camping by myself. I think Zach's coming, but he's not staying because he has plans for Easter. And I come down here to get the Jeep. I'm like, cool, you know, it's a nice day out today. I can't wait. And it's broke. Long story short, I've been having brake problems with it. The last couple of times I drove it, I had like no pedal, and the little warning light kept flashing that I had no pressure, whatever. So I was like, maybe it just needs new pads or bled or something. So I bled it, and I put new pads in it, and now my calipers are stuck. So I think the problem was all along that the calipers were stuck. I mean, this Jeep doesn't have a very easy life, so it's all full of mud and crap, and I don't feel like dealing with this, so I'm just gonna go buy new calipers for it right now. I'm waiting for Zach to get here, and then we're gonna go do that. Hopefully throw those on, and then hopefully get out to the pond before it gets too dark to set up, and then maybe tonight I can sleep in my tent for the first time. That'd be pretty cool. Well, it doesn't rain. I don't know if we're calling for rain tonight. I don't know. So let's go and get these parts. We'll put them on the Jeep. It'll be awesome. So I went and I bought new calipers. Right there. And I'm gonna put those on and then hopefully get to the lake before pond. Hopefully get to the pond.
Small body of water.
Hopefully get to the small body of water before it starts to rain. See? Super awesome blue sky. Can't wait to go out and have some psych thunderstorm coming right towards us. So we crashed the drone at the garage.
You crashed the drone at
I crashed the drone at the garage. This is the second time I've flown it into the garage, and both times I wrecked it. It wasn't my fault though. Zach is my witness. When it gets into the garage, it loses its freaking mind, and it went right into the wall, and it broke two of the propellers again. So back to Best Buy to buy more. What did we see on the way out here?
Double rainbow.
A double rainbow.
That's a full rainbow all the way. Double rainbow, oh my god. Double rainbow. It's a double rainbow all the way. Damn, it's a double rainbow all the way.
It wasn't all the way across the sky though.
No.
But we did fix the Jeep. We did.
Yes.
But we're not in the Jeep right now, we're in the Lexus because it's raining and I just didn't feel like driving the Jeep. Actually, why didn't we take the Jeep?
Because the Xterra was in the way.
Because the Xterra was in the way. The Lexus was already outside. So we're gonna go get some propellers.
Yeah. What did we buy?
It was a good buy. I'm gonna say it was probably the best buy that we made today.
No, the brake calipers weren't the best buy? Or were they?
They were an advanced buy.
Ah.
Advanced auto buy, actually. This was the best buy for drones. What did we buy? Propellers.
Why did we buy propellers?
Because I wrecked it into the wall. We already went through that. Gimbal protector to protect your gimbal.
Why do you need a gimbal protector?
Because I keep wrecking it in the walls. I'm really bad at wrecking things. Actually, I'm good at wrecking things. I'm bad at flying things.
Oh, this is gonna be shaky. All right, we'll see you back at the garage. Look at these freaking idiots. Why? There we go.
You're an old man teddy bear, and I'm just a Cabbage Patch Kid. You can't argue with that.
You are a Cabbage Patch Kid.
My name's Beanie, it's my channel. My name's Jesse, I'm the itsDeza.
All right, I just want to bring something up real fast. This is where Zach. This is Zach's daily vehicle.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Alexis
it is.
is my daily vehicle.
Okay.
This is no longer my daily.
Okay. He has his toothbrush hanging in such the weirdest spot.
It's easy convenience. Like, I can be driving, be like, my teeth feel a little fuzzy. And boom, toothbrush. Brush my teeth. I always know.
Where's your toothpaste?
Right in the passenger seat in that plastic bag. Right there. I got deodorant in there and toothpaste.
You use a plastic bag.
Well, no, that just happens to be where it's at. Usually it's in the glove box.
But you leave your toothbrush hanging right there. So if people give you dirty looks or weird looks in traffic, like, holy crap, there's a toothbrush just floating.
There was a hot chick that was on the passenger side. She did a double take at it, and I just waved. Just like, you want to brush your teeth? Too bad. It's my toothbrush, not yours.
How's the lake, Zach?
It's a pond, and it's great. It's covered in asphalt.
Okay, so it ended up being crappy and raining and storming. It actually stormed so bad here, we actually lost power for a little bit. But we got the brakes done, we got the drone fixed, and we're gonna try to go there tomorrow.
As long as the weather holds out, it's supposed to be 50% chance of rain. We'll see. In the 50s, but I'll deal with cold weather.
Is Kayla making a special trip out tomorrow?
Maybe.
Sorry this video wasn't very adventurous. Our plans totally just got shot today. This whole weekend's been shot.
How you doing?
Hey guys.
I think we're too shy to vlog in public still. We just got looked. We're over by the garage, and a guy just walked by, and he was like, "What the hell are these two
Like, why
dudes
are
doing?"
these two dudes awkwardly standing close together with a phone?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's nice enough that we'll just freeze our butts off and enjoy the lake, pond, creek, man-made hole in the ground with water in it. Nice hair, right? I need a haircut. Someone help me. Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, share. Don't do either of those. I don't really care. It doesn't bother me one bit. Catch you next time.
Double complete rainbow.